welcome to Randy's Griddle, where we're always cooking something good on the griddle. What do we have for you today? We have some honey lime pork chops. Love pork chops. You can fix pork chops any way on the black stone. It's always great. Okay, so let's get started. But first things first, there is really something you can do to help us out. Number one, subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Number two, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Number three, give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Number four, share us with your friends. And number five, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, while the Blackstone's warming up, let's get our sauce ready. So first things first, we need a good heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. About a quarter cup of honey. Now, I don't really measure everything out. I just kind of give it an eyeball. Some honey. Some lime juice. And a little bit of soy sauce. We'll get this all mixed up and we'll give it a taste, and then if there's something else we need to add, we'll add. One thing I like about pork chops during the week, they are pretty easy to do. They don't take very long to cook. I'm thinking a little more honey. A little windy out today, so take a little time. The Blackstone's starting to smoke a little bit. It's cooking. It's warming up. Okay, so that's good. Okay. I think the next thing we need to do, we'll put this aside for right this minute. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down. And we'll get these pork chops to cooking. Wow, listen to that. What we're going to be looking for is about 145 degrees internal. Well, let me move over here so you can see. Alright, we got the pork chops down. A little bit of black pepper. Give them a few minutes on that side, then we'll give them a flip and we'll do some more on the other side until we go to about 145 internal. And before that happens, we'll be putting the sauce on. So let's let them cook up a little while, then I'll be back. Alright, let's give these a flip. Ah, look at that. They're looking fantastic. That was about 4 minutes on that side. A little more oil in there. This should help us put it in thick. We're about 104. $110, right around 110. Like I said, we're looking for they'll be done at about 140, 145. All right, so let me let them cook on this side for a while, and we'll come back. All right, let's check, see where we're at. Okay, I think they're 135 or right at 140. So let's go with our sauce. I've turned the Blackstone down to low. Oh, the smell is crazy good. I can smell that honey. Give it a nice little flip, get some of that flavor in there. The honey is crystallizing, caramelizing. So what I'm going to do is I'm shutting the Blackstone off. Keep some of that flavor, get it on top there. We get a double check on our temperature. It's about 150. Okay, I think they're done. Okay. I got the Blackstone off. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's check this out, see what it tastes like. Can you move right down there? Look at that. That's nice and juicy, tender, and all that nice. Oh, I can really taste the citrus and the garlic, and of course the honey. Mmm, that is fantastic. Okay, so that was honey lime pork chops. They turned out fantastic. I can't wait to have dinner. First things first, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.